First pictures with the Nikon D850, other than fine-tuning the lenses. All right, that was a great way to start the morning. Bull moose came out of the forest in the snow and walked straight towards the road, and got to make some nice photos of him. So it's September 21st. It's snowing, big, heavy, wet snowflakes. This is the first significant snowfall here in the valley, and I love, love, love the first snowfall of the year. I get really excited for photography. So I'm going to keep cruising around out here. The further north I go, the more snow I'm going to get into. And hopefully I'll run into some more critters. That was a great way to start the morning with that bull moose, though. So let's keep cruising, see what we can find. It's going to be heavy, wet snow the further north I go. And should be gorgeous up there. Let's do it. Right, I got a bull elk way out in the sagebrush out there in the snow. And normally I wouldn't stop for a bull that far away, but it's going to end up being really small in the frame. But it's kind of a cool photo, just getting a little abstract with. It's basically a whiteout out there. So it's just going to be this like kind of faint silhouette of a bull elk amongst a bunch of snow and whiteout conditions. So to get that kind of super white effect, I'm shooting at plus 2.3 on exposure compensation, because the meter is trying to take all this snow and white and make it kind of gray and yucky. So I really got to tell the camera I want this to be nice and bright. Other than that, I'm shooting at f4 ISO 800, and it's giving me like 1/125th of a second. So easy shot. Just got to remember to crank up that exposure compensation when it's bright white snow, and you want the scene to be bright white. Nice day for a boat ride? Nope. There's actually less snow here at Colter Bay than I thought there would be. I came down here just to kind of see how the boat was doing. It's over there on the dock somewhere. Just got a little bit of snow on it. It's beautiful. I like this. It's like this big heavy wet flakes. It's nice to be out here. First snow of the year. I like it. Okay, I got another nice bull elk in the snow out here. It's a little late for him to be out cruising around, but he's alone and he's on the move, kind of working some ridge lines and through some of the timber. So it has potential to be really pretty. I'm waiting for him to come back out in between a couple of trees, and hopefully I'll get a nice clean shot of him in between the trees. Now we wait for a minute. Pretty sloppy out. I take that back, it's extremely sloppy out. Well, I made it. I just did a little quick trip down here to the shore of String Lake, which String Lake is a awesome, super popular summer destination to come paddleboard and swim and picnic, and it's a great, amazing place. But on a day like today, it's not popular. I'm the only one here, which is great. I love it that way. But it's gorgeous out, and so I'm just going to walk the shoreline a little bit and look for some photography options. So I'm bringing the Nikon D850 with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens, and then I've got a 70 to 300 millimeter lens in my pocket there. So I'm going to do my best to keep things dry. Things will get a little bit wet out here regardless. But I'm going to put this camera back in the car because it's too much to carry around and try and keep dry. I could backpack it out, but I only plan on spending a few minutes here and then I got to get going. So, what do we have here? Bald eagle, immature bald eagle flying by. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, there he goes. You can probably see him back there. Just beautiful to be out here. Okay, made it back to the vehicle. I actually found a really nice photo out there that I think is going to turn out great. So keep an eye out for that right now. Carrying on. I think I'm going to head back home. I think this is going to be about it for me today. And the first snowfall of the year is always just so exciting, and I love it. So it's nice because it's September 21st, and I know it's going to get warm, and we're going to have some more 70-degree days, and all this snow is going to melt and stuff. So it's extra nice knowing that this isn't it. You know, we're still going to have some nice weather. But first snow of the year, I just always have a ball getting out and doing photography in that first snow. And it's exciting. Fall is definitely here, but summer will return. I promise. See ya.